Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be taking the xTool S1 to the absolute maximum capacity, the largest engraving it can possibly do, and I'm going to show you how you make these photo frames from an old Goodwill photo frame. I got this for $4 at Goodwill, took it apart. I'm going to show you what it looked like before. All my photos are going to be sideways just to fill out the entire screen of your TV. So just keep that in mind. You might have to tilt your head a little bit, so enjoy that. With that said, if you want to see this in color, maybe I can do that in the next video. I kind of liked it raw like this, but now I'm thinking about taking it back out. I do have a couple dust particles I need to pull out of there anyways. And then we can color this, and I'll show you two different forms of coloration if you want to see that in the next video. But anyways, with that said, here is the full-size board that I cut it out of. Look at that. That is taking it to the absolute max cutting area of the S1 from xTool here. Amazing product from xTool. If you're interested in the S1, I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description below so you can purchase that. It helps our channel out as well. With all that said, let's go ahead and make a cool photo frame, show you what I did, and we'll get into this, and I hope you enjoy this super quick project video. All right, you guys, so I already started this, but basically what you want to do is take a real fine sandpaper and just hit some of those dark edges that aren't masked there, just to bring out some of the lighting in this, and that's what I'm going to go over and just hit some of those areas really quick. All right, you guys, so I really quickly want to show you guys what this looks like uncolored. I kind of like it uncolored, to be honest, but I may color this for the video. I haven't decided yet. Sorry that the camera is sideways, but this is the only way that I can fill up the whole screen on the TV here for you guys. But yeah, overall, this looks really good so far. I went ahead and popped it into the frame just to see what it looked like here. I need to line everything up and hold it into place like that, obviously. I think that's going to turn out really cool looking here. Well, there you guys have it. That is the photo frame project from Goodwill. A $4 photo frame from Goodwill, a $2 sheet of wood, probably less than that, from Home Depot. Engrave it with the S1 laser engraver here. Super cool project, super cool machine. This machine was able to cut larger than the Glowforge, and that's why I ultimately chose the S1 for this project here. If you guys have any questions or you enjoy these types of content, let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see this colored in the future and go over color options, let me know as well, and we'll make a video on that too. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.